Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Akshata Sadanand. I'm not sure if my voice is audible to you guys. As I promised, I've added the sleeves here and it's really balloony and it's really, I mean, can you guys see the difference? One is quite long and one is quite short, but that's okay. It's not making that difference though. But I'm really loving it, guys. I'm seriously in love with this dress. I don't know to which occasion I can wear. By the way, you can wear it to any occasion you want. So let's get to the video. So this is part 2 of my previous video. So if you haven't watched my part 1, the link is here or here anyway maybe. So click on that link so that you can watch the part 1 and get connected. So let's get to the video, guys. Before even start cutting the fabric, you need to take the measurement of the sleeve. My length comes somewhere till 25. It's up to your discretion what can be the length of your shoulder. So mine will be 25. Actually it's 23, but I'll be taking 25 just in case. So let's start cutting. This is called Man Proposes and God Disposes. I wanted it to be 30-inch length, meters long, but yeah, again I have to go back to 26 now. Yes, I have to go back to 26 because it's damaged. It's damaged in the middle. That's okay, guys. You can go for 30 inches of length because you're not as unlucky as me, right? Right? Just go for it. And ignore this angry face. I'm sorry. Let's get to work. It's too much talking. Finally done with 26 inches of length and 42 inches of wide. So this is the width of the sleeves and the length. Length is 22 and the width is 42. So I have two such pieces for sleeves. I'm gonna stitch everything. I'm not gonna leave any of the frills. I'll stitch everything all over so that it looks like a proper shirring top, not at all like a peplum top. So I'm gonna do that and add sleeves to it. That's it, guys. So let's get to the machine. I have two pieces. I'm gonna stitch this over dress so that over shoulder level so that it stays fit. So guys, this is the length of my shoulder level. I mean from here to here. So here to here. So this part is the remaining part which I'll be cutting because it's not necessary at all. So I'll cut this part and I'll be using the same elastic for the wrist as well because I think this sits firm. My wrist measurement. So I have taken two of those for each of the shoulders and this is how the sleeves look like. So this goes to the shoulder portion of the sleeve and one goes to the wrist portion of the sleeve. So this will be your wrist portion, this will be your shoulder portion, and I'm gonna stitch this here so that we'll get to know how much fabric it consumes after stitching and also so that I can cut it accordingly to get the balloon look. Stitch the wrist portion, so this is how it looks. But if you fold it and keep it, then you will have the clear picture of the shoulder. So this is the shoulder portion and this will go to the wrist portion. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll just cut how much ever I want, how much bell I want and all of those. This is the wrist portion. So it would go all the way like this. Not straight at all, but triangle, little inclined to right side. don't have to be, perfect when you're cutting. It's okay because you're however gonna stitch it, so that wouldn't matter so much. We are done. So this is how the sleeves gonna look like. So now I'm gonna stitch this. I have not attached the sleeves and the crop top here so that I can style it in multiple ways, but if you guys want to attach, you can still go ahead. So follow me on my Instagram, guys, to see amazing pictures and videos. I really post many amazing pictures and videos and some quotations for personal growth, whatever. So follow me on my Instagram, description link in the description box. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, they're looking at me right now and I'm really embarrassed. So bye, guys.